Welcome to the Military Engineer Geographic course at the Royal School of Military Survey. The RSMS delivers the Military Engineer Geo Class 2 course to prepare military engineer geographic soldiers for a career in the provision of geospatial intelligence. You start by developing an understanding of coordinate systems, how these relate to maps, and the practical application for navigation. Then you are introduced to geographic information systems and the skills needed to prepare geospatial data and produce computer-based geographic products and analysis appropriate to support defense. The course will show you how to collate, analyze, and visualize geospatial information from various sources, ensuring you produce authoritative products to support decision makers. You will learn to assess how the topography and infrastructure will impact military operations through spatial analysis, transport network analysis, and terrain analysis. This will all contribute to your ability to provide critical support to the commander. The course will culminate in a confirmation exercise to demonstrate the knowledge and skills learnt throughout the course. On successful completion of this course, and following an assignment to the field force, you will be invited back to the RSMS to undertake the Military Engineer Geo Class 1 course. Through our academic partners, this attracts a bachelor's degree. Here are the thoughts of one of our students.
I found the facilities very useful. All our classrooms are laid out in a certain way that we can all learn from our instructors in a one-to-one if need be. We have our own stations, our own desks and monitors, keyboards and mouses, so we're not getting in anyone's way. My learning experience has been very beneficial here. The instructors have a vast range of knowledge towards the modules that we learn. Whether you're a physical or a visual learner, they do everything they can to help your benefit in learning. So if you need that extra help, they'll give you that guidance. I'd have to say my proudest achievement has been sort of setting my own goals. So as you go along, you start a module and you'd say to yourself, right, I want to complete this and I want to pass this. So as you go through that module, you want to make sure you're doing as much as you can to set that goal. It's a very long course, so it can become very dragged out if you don't set the small goals. So you need to set yourself a one step by step with checkpoints. Otherwise, you're going to have no idea what the outcome is going to be. Advice I'd give on joining this course is to make sure that you've updated your math skills, because it's a higher education, you're working towards a higher education. I'd also say to come in with a positive attitude, because it can get very stressful at sometimes. And I'd also say that you need to just make sure that you're digging into it and making sure that you're cracking on, because if you don't do that, you're not going to get your work done, and that's really important for this course.
This is the start of your military journey as a military engineer geographic soldier. This is a fascinating trade, and the RSMS staff will be there to support you throughout your development and career.